welcome to this video where we are going to demonstrate the usage of Express Request. Express Request is a sister software to Express Maintenance. Express Maintenance is a computerized maintenance management software, and the maintenance team, if you are watching this video, if you're going to be a requester, you're probably an operator or supervisor or someone in the office who the maintenance team has given the authority to submit work order requests, but they're not going to let you actually enter work orders into their maintenance software. And so what this does is give you the option, the ability to be able to submit those work order requests, track those requests as they work their way through the maintenance workflow, and even get notified whenever your request has been completed. Now, when you access Express Request, you'll do that through a browser. And it doesn't matter if you are a cloud customer or an on-prem customer. All future Express Request users will access it through like a Chrome browser like you see here. I'm in full screen right now. And when you log in, you simply will go to the login page. You'll use your authenticated username and password. So every requester will have to have their own account, and they log in by hitting submit. And then it starts out just showing you the requests that you have submitted personally. Now I can uncheck this, and if I have permissions as a requester, I can see other requesters' requests. But starting out, we'll just look at mine. So here's the requests that I have submitted, and I can view these based on where they are at in the workflow. If I come over to this drop down, I can see all of my requests, or I can see the ones that have been assigned to a work order. I can see the ones that were canceled, in this case, none. The ones that were completed. So this is a request that I submitted. The maintenance team converted it to a work order. They completed that work order, and now it's marked completed. I can also see anything that I have created but haven't submitted, anything that the maintenance team has rejected, anything that has been reviewed or submitted. And then if I want to create a new request, then I would just simply come up to add new and put in the date desired, the priority, put in the equipment name, and then type in some notes here. And then if this particular request involves a management of change, I could use that feature here. And then I select the service that I want from the service dropdown. If you are a supervisor or you are submitting the request on behalf of somebody else, you can put a sub-requester in here, and it's just a free-form field that you can type in an operator or somebody else's name who you're submitting the request for. And then once I hit Save Changes, it saves that request, and then it also emails a notification to the maintenance team letting them know that you have submitted a work order request on this date and time for this asset with this service requested. And then they will go into their software, convert that to a work order, and complete it or reject it as they see fit. So that is how you use Express Request. If you have any questions, please contact us at sales@expressmaintenance.com or support@expressmaintenance.com, or you can contact your system administrator, someone on the maintenance team at your location. And thank you, and we look forward to working with you.